namdo. Kaya wise kau betul araklay marbeklado luasya edi indora state visitor ngayaw lokal la presidente. Local people wala Amerika la wala atelier chin semara dar kalmas au rakati. Luasya ere mengartian yang biasa sablay. Aku terkait la kami yang dibikin kerana Oktober bawang saklang lelang tu lasos malu tar semala malaman tidak lah elang sih lagi terluas tidak kan nanti masuk di dalam lagi masuk di dalam betul ini jangan Ibora gidrei di mal keluar program gidrei lanjut tu. Padahal rohul madengil wasen será matuor de la entra 2015 na narasi passion hotel. A leadership bela tudo. A select ma house, a traditional leaders, ma governors, ma speakers. Matigil la gastal company di omara la tourism na belul bela. Ang PBA na kami Aurora global selmera ande agar lela di persibe kada robuin no komi alwase muil dulor me bodo kolbon marawele makut kleba alumil el bukti taramo o saklel malu improvement tra aulele tra airport matire ulele den kire la turist tirame yo di na rabluben Pembina la Aurora selme mang elansin sa ibudulin digila dan di mereka masaw dia umso de la Aurora na mo mereka kita kal ang masaw ko din elansin mga digila dan mereka masaw mahotak man mo mereka sule makaumaraklay marubul bela tira pumila ito pagklet di Aurora kay giro hul meeting maaldado and then move trela awula ka ng mamsara kaya Aktivitas al mal modesía, mal lolo organizado, el mora president Asenet Tabaules, mal officers Asenet Marbek, el senators. Alam lang ang will support it. Alam lang lo bentiende lo moduul dialog, and ang sped pagdi merela kita. Aktivitas al mal modesía, lo organizado, el mora speaker ang stasyon. Para officers House of Delegates, Marbek, members sa House of Delegates. Kung bilang iba-ibla ang National Congress, ulubag niya na executive, marupul belaw ay marumong ito. Aliin, marahil na tarbun, bukpok niya Aurora Merela. Alak alwilin, kadangaralaong ay berarak. Ano yung natin bilang lang. Hindi awil dulor awil tokoy iya to nasuli gira lang lubu manyaw semangar mo tayo nagdiri ra ada belaw marigir bloy ya albeo ta doru law tokoy nganya di ng bot sisrats nganya taw bot sisrats ay bila mati Cristiano Roboy kadang kadang isa tokoy wase gira mo siwa ya kalasnya mo se to lakkel maluron sa soda maruli kita omesa igal atlet lulur martian tiasen bol mereke klay tial nangari la tiang mati bol ngin di mo tigel arrival malu tigel temuka ertin ame expert dia tigel bedo durok pertin malu tigel mo maray rablu belau amor sempre es el building el monstruo que tiene el building en Tomoras ay mo rabe es el building el bod or til al modularay ang maldi mo obis ra adraudior mo obis ra adraudior clothing yang mo obis ra kan sumak til marja hindi yang mo obis ra adraudior report tilgan sa leader de la adraudior mo obis ra mali legal serio di mo obis tilgero kul adras ko hi ma airline maral no spell pagdirihan mo rin officer adra government luto lagi dang benel was adra immigration mga customs mga quarantine mga abek pagdirihan ada adira no se vida obro po Kadang la amingi ilway se katokentay and din dire kan suat announce la leadership belau para belau kasi auriora hablado tergli ayo terira momere kara next year July seya ang lesson anya flow do mo marang ang amo o dia lo dokti klise din suman kadio tirang rayo tera auriora maro toy se dia di laudo taran de flow mo te vida was mo se ve lo spe ya tole belau Nebo kaya tigil sa leader Mercy Flow Conference sa 2020 may din mag-flow aldado kita mag-host ka ni Belau work siya mag-conference ng meeting marang ay Trela Alexis again ang bali Dr. President yang ada review yang ada masulit ali bersih Belau ng mga review yang kita dipakai paulo naman sa atin Ambassador, yesterday we had a state visit to Macau with the President. He was looking forward to join us this morning. However, the government, the traditional chiefs of Macau wants the President to spend the night with them. It's not every day that they see him. So, he sent us back, myself and Minister Saran and Minister Tamil, and that's the whole reason we could not make it to the ceremony this morning. He sends his blessings and his sincere appreciation for Japan government, our partners, SOSIS, JATCO, JOIN, and JICA, for their commitment. Over 3 years, we are here to celebrate the fruits of our hard work. I see a lot of faces here, like Mr. Asada and Saito and Taki. They come here and spend time in Palau more than myself. But I'm glad they were able to join us this morning. This is the fruit of a plan that we planted about 3 years ago. And I think we can all take pride to share this to our visitors, the people of Palau, and anyone who wishes to visit Palau. We hope, we sincerely hope, that this morning we will further strengthen the relationship not only with the government and people of Japan, but with the private sector of Japan. I think SOSIS and JATCO have demonstrated to every business sector in Japan and around the Pacific that public-private partnership is one of the best relationships that the people and the business can benefit from. And I'm sure, I'm 100% sure with our leadership that in the years to come, people of Palau will take pride of this project. I'll be able to tell my counterpart from FSM and RMI that you may visit Japan, but you don't have the relationship we have. You don't have to bring that to our neighboring islands. But I want to make sure you understand how we value our relationship with the government and the people of Japan. There's really nothing more to say. but to say thank you, arigato, o man bisula.